Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to open camera settings in your Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your camera. Here you can see. Friends, here all are the options: videos, photos, portrait, time lapse. Here you can see, and here it is the top icon. Just you have to click on it. You can see here it is all the things, but at the right corner here it is the settings, and here you can find all the settings like picture quality. If you want high, standard, low, you can choose it. Scan QR codes, tap to take photos, auto frame rate, volume button. Here you can change your camera settings. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.